In Zoo 2 Animal Park, there seems to be not much of a difference between the animals of a particular species. But taking a closer look, you will notice that they are not all the same. Some are, of course, male or female, babies or adults, and they do have an individual level. You can see all of this when you click or tap on a single animal. Animals you buy from the shop are always level 1. But what's that level all about, I hear you ask? Well, most importantly, the higher level an animal is, the more visitors it attracts. Especially when it's a cute newborn with a higher level. More visitors mean, of course, more admission fees, which in turn helps you grow your zoo faster. Also, some quests require you to breed animals to level 3 or 5. Breeding itself is rather easy. Once your zoo reaches level 12, zoo veterinarian Dr. Bird will stop by to discuss the possibility of your zoo participating in the wildlife preservation efforts. Should you agree, you need to build a breeding station and shelters in those enclosures where you want to breed. Of course, you need at least 2 animals to do so. Open the interface and select the parents. Their levels are displayed in that little emblem. Here, in our example, both parents are level 1. By breeding, you have a certain chance that the newborns are level 2. The same goes with higher level animals. If you would breed 2 level 2 animals, you have a certain chance to get a level 3 animal, and so on. That's how you can increase your animals' levels. Good luck with your endeavor in Zoo 2 Animal Park.